Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today with a sharpness comparison between the DJI Osmo Action and the GoPro Hero 7 Black. The test consists in pointing both cameras at this target from the same place and then crop in the images to see which one captures the sharpest results. On this side-by-side comparison, you may see that the ends of the stripes are sharper on the images from the GoPro. Once again here, especially the vertical lines are much more detailed on the GoPro. I have repeated the same procedure, now with the electronic stabilization turned off on both cameras. The results are in my opinion similar to the ones on the first test. More sharpness on the GoPro. Once again you observe more noise on the stripes recorded by the Osmo. Also, not all the black gradients are clearly separated here.